Alright guys, are you downloading assets off of Meshi or Luma AI's Genie and it's not coming with the texture into Blender for you? I'm going to show you how to fix that. So I've downloaded this ring off Meshi. I took it into Blender, and as soon as I use the material preview by using Z and going down, you'll notice that it comes out pink. If I check UV editing, a grid, pink. I go to texture pink, a grid, even pinker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to fix it. What we do is we're going to go into layout, select the item. You'll have the properties window come up on the right side. Go down to material. It's a little circle, red circle with a checkered print on it. Select that. You'll have base color come up on the right side. Go ahead and select that. A little window pops up. We're going to go to texture and down to image texture, bringing that in. A little naming socket will pop up for the texture we're using. We're going to go all the way over to the right side of that socket. You'll see an image, open image icon. Go ahead and select that. We're going to find the image by going to the file that we downloaded, and inside there should be a PNG. Once you select that, it'll automatically apply to the object itself, and then all you now need to do is rename the material, export the item, and save the texture. Then you import it into Meta Horizon worlds and use it in your worlds. If you guys have any questions on that, I do have a couple videos on that. With that, if you guys have any questions or comments, concerns, go ahead and put them in the comments. If you guys like this type of content, want to see more, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.